Ama namin, maaari kaya?
How did we changed over the years?
Pagkakita ko sa'yo, sure ako promise. Ganon yung nakita ko. Tapos nakita ko si Kuya na nag-grow siya ng ibang grow sa mas mature siya, ganon. So mas nakita ko mas bagay talaga. Ayun.
Actually, ako yung niya, first girlfriend. Oh, ayaw pala! Second pala ako! Wala! Oo pala, sorry, nag-assume ako.
Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, oo, makasaya mo hanggaan. Kaya mo, gusto mo. Mahaba man ang prosesyon, sasakbahan ka sa simbahan. Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, oo.
Hi, Bing. Andito na tayo, oh. Effective yung ginamit mo na gayuma. Taga Luzon ako, pero nandito na ako sa Zamboanga.
Hi, Bing. Huwag kayong maniwala sa kanya. Siya talaga yung tunay na nanggayuma sa atin.
Sa'kin, pinaka-aasam. Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, oo, makasaya mo hanggaan. Kaya mo, gusto mo. Mahaba man ang prosesyon, sasakbahan ka sa simbahan. Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, oo. Sabihin mo, oo. Sabihin mo, oo. Sabihin mo, oo. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay at tayong dalawa'y maghahasik nung kaligayahan. Itawan ng unang salita, ako ay handa nang tumapak sa lupa.
Tapos na ang paghihintay, nandito ka na, oras ay
They say that to know if someone is truly the love you've been praying for, replace the word love with their name in this beautiful verse. Patrick is patient. Patrick is kind. Patrick does not envy, does not boast, and is not proud.
iyong mga labi.
Parang isang panaginip ang muling mapa.
Today, before God and before all gathered here, I stand beside you with a heart sincere. Of all the roads that led me through, somehow they all brought me to you. 1,000 prayers I used to say, perhaps were leading me to this day. A love I wished for, soft and true, was always taking in shape of you.
Today, I'm standing here with you, now your wife, in peace, because I know that this love is unique and is meant for me. Thank you for being my safe place when the world gets too noisy and overwhelming. One hug from you, and somehow everything feels safe again.
Parang isang panaginip ang muling mapagbigyan. Tayo'y muling makasama. ang dati ay baliwala. Panatag ng kalooban ko at ika'y kapiling ko na. O tagal kitang hinitay, o tagal kitang hinitay.
You found a love that brings peace. Well, same tayo. I found the kind of love that brings peace, quiet and certain. And no matter how hard life gets in this marriage, Ding, ikaw lang ang aking pahinga. The one I will always come home to.
Oh, at ika'y kapiling ko na. Oh, tagal kitang hinintay. Oh, tagal kitang hinintay.
Akala ko noon na imposible to. Ang dating pangarap ko nasa harap na ngayon. Ilang beses humindi, buti di ka umalis.
Hi Binky, I want to truly live your life to the fullest. Make memories. Together, we will explore the world and everything it has to offer. Record your story, our story, rather, and remember how it felt to live it. I love you. Love, Sing.
Hi, Binky. This is my wedding gift to you. Document your life, our life. Let's capture as many moments as we can. I love you. May drone na ako. Hello.
Yun, lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo. Basta
Patrick and Cindy Ella. Patrick from Manila and Cindy from Zamboanga. I do not know how your love story began, but definitely your love story was developed, made, and originated from God.
So here I am with all I am, to love you fully as I can. For all our days, come what may do, my love, my vow remains with you. I love you.
I, Cindy Ella Felix, take you as my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until death do us part. I love you.
hanggat sa dulo ng ating pagmamahal, hanggat sa kunin tayo ng